Going to stuff our box just like if you are a gift basket designer, so you already know we are going to stuff this box just like a regular gift basket. That's all we're doing, okay? So we're just going to take our newspaper and stuff our basket. And put it right on top to cover up the newspaper. Okay, just like that. Don't worry about that, you're good. All right. Okay, again, just like a regular gift basket, we're just going to take our items. And we're going to create our gift basket. Now, the main thing you want to do is to cover up this stick. You do not want this stick to show at all in your gift basket, all right? And also, I want to point out when you're building your gift basket, you want the items to be small. For instance, this right here, like I usually do put a whole gift set there, but this is too big, okay? But we are still going to rock with this gift set. How, you might ask? All I'm going to do is simply take the items out of the box, all right? Boom, just like this. All right. And we want to cover up the front and the back of the gift basket, right? So on the back, we are going to use chocolates. With my balloon gift sets, I usually use chocolate for the back because we want to make sure the stick is covered from the front and the back, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just secure my items in our gift basket. That's all we're doing with tape. Okay. Our back is finished. Now we're going to work on the front. Again, remember, the stick is very important to cover up that stick. So I'm going to do is just put some tape right here. Okay, you guys, now we are going to shrink wrap our gift basket, okay? So this is the gift basket I have. It is way, way too big. So what I'm going to do is cut it down to size, okay? the shrink wrap on your gift basket. You're gonna do just like you would a regular gift basket. We're about to wrap it up. The only difference is we are going to wrap it up around our stick, okay? Okay, so another thing I want to point out to you, you want to make sure the front and the back is nice and smooth. Number one, you want to make sure that your shrink wrap bag is a good size for your gift basket. You want to make sure it's not too big. Number two, when you are closing this up like that, you grab it from the ends and you're going to basically kind of not pull, but kind of straighten it out, going outwards like this, and crinkle it in. So that way, that's how you make it smooth. You see that? So don't go like this. No. You're going to work your way in by pulling it like that and crinkling it in. Because we want it to be nice and smooth. Doesn't have to be perfect. You see how I'm kind of rolling it, trying to make this part smooth. And you want it to be like that in the front and in the back. I'm kind of just rolling it. Okay, so that's good enough. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now you're going to take one of these and simply wrap it around the stick. Okay? Boom, just like that. Now again, so we want to string up our items. That's why we tape it down to make sure it's nice and secure so it won't shift. Now again, just like our regular gift baskets, you guys, we're just going to tape it up and do the exact same thing as a regular gift basket. shrink wrapping our basket. Now you can see it's basically like a regular basket. Now what we're gonna do next is cut the neck of cut the stick. Okay, so all you're gonna do is take this off. Okay. There we go. Take that off. Now you can notice when I was shrink wrapping this, I was taking my hand and squeezing this like this because you want this to be a nice seal around the stick. And all you're going to do is take your scissors and you're going to cut the plastic and the stick all at once, okay? Now when you cut it, you want to go to the height of the tallest item in your basket, which is this. So I'm going to cut it right there. And that's what we want, okay? There you go. Our basket is complete. Now, please stay tuned for part 2. Now we're going, in part 2, we are going to be working on the actual balloon.